So my choke knob doesn't like to stay up. It, falls back down every time I try and pull it. So I got one of these twist lock deals. You pull it up and twist it and it stays in position. So we're going to install that sucker. So once you get this nut loose a little bit, sometimes you can kind of do a little, little ratchet deal there. Get this thing to come out. She's in a tight spot. There you go, your spring and your little deal there. Once you have that, you kind of try and pull your spring back, get that out of there, then your spring should just come right out. Next, you want to save the boot. Take your boot. Next, you're going to want to slide your boot on there like so. Get that deal running down in there. Nope, come on. There she is. Got your boot. And you're going to want to get your spring in there. Pull that sucker back as best you can to expose that little nubbin or whatever. Slide that guy on there like so. Bam. And she's ready to go. Just double check she operates properly. Open, close. Perfect. Ready to go back in the carb. You can see in there where you want that little needle. Can't really see it, but you want that needle to seat in there, so you kind of gotta be a little careful with the entry there and try and get her to snug down in there. There we go. Get her there. Try and give her a couple little snugs. Oh, there we go. All snug down, ready to go. Choke up, choke down. Sweet.